Suppose I better at least put a shirt on, eh? Oh, I think the video started already. Oh, I'm not going to redo it, though. Oh, well. It is what it is. So, anyway. For those of you listening right now, obviously knew I was on Adult Friend Finder site. Yeah, no, I'm doing the YouTube video. Yeah, I just won't be standing up in this one. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if you want to catch me on the Adult Friend Finders, it's Up for Fun 412Z. So, yeah, it's fun. Enough of that now. Okay, let's go to this YouTube video. But I'll show you my World of Warcraft thing. So this is the retail account. I have 13 characters. And I have four left to get to 70. Yeah, I've been gearing them. This is my female hunter. Name's Lorilla. That's my main. But I just made, I shouldn't say I just made, like a week ago I made the same hunter, same name and everything on hardcore. Yeah, I think she's 35, I think, right now. I was trying to think if I dinged the 35 before I stopped playing today. It's 34 or 35. It's got to be close to 35. And then on Lich King Classic, I have 6 characters, and my oldest son pretty much has them all raid hard mode geared. So they're pretty geared. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, I'm just using the tokens and gearing all my alts here. So they're all like 412 geared. So it'll be ready for the expansion. Yeah, it's been a good time. I've been playing this since 2004, and that's basically when the game came out. A few months after the game came out. Yeah, 20 years of playing this game. And this was the very first tune that I started, was this female hunter. And I originally did the female hunter because it was easy to get help. Guys would help a female character. Nowadays, you know, men and women play both. You know, I know women on the game that play male characters and vice versa. You know, a lot of guys have at least a few female characters. It's nice to change it up when you're playing. You're not looking at the same character all the time. But I have one of every spec. So I got the Hunter, Druid, Evoker, Paladin, Priest, Warrior, Mage, Demon Hunter, Shaman, Warlock, Death Knight, Rogue, and Monk. And they're almost all 70. I only got a couple levels to go on the Rogue and the Death Knight. My Warlock's 67, but everything else is 70. So it's been quite the haul the last few weeks or so. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I haven't made YouTube videos at all. Fubo's been tanking. And so me and a group have been beta testing Cataclysm. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing with my time. We're beta testing. So until Fubo starts moving something, then I'll make some more Fubo videos. But I got a little bit of Fubo today. We'll see. So that's what I'm going to do now. So we noticed, you know, last few weeks, oh man, I got hammered bad with options. Yeah, a lot. It's a lot. I'm not going to get into specifics, but it was a lot. I mean, who could have expected this? You know, this is just ridiculous. Especially this one right here. Bam, down. But I mean, it's at the bottom. You know, they're gonna try to push it below $1, but I don't see it happening. This is the best time to buy right now. The best time. You know, if it goes down a little bit more, just buy up some more. But I'm actually, next couple weeks or so, I'm going to finish the beta testing or whatever. And then I'm actually going to start swing trading again. And then move back into day trading. Because the option thing just pissed me right off. And so we'll get back into swing trading a little bit. Then maybe do some day trading. But this is a good time to buy Fubo. I just noticed they're over 60 million short. They were only like 51. And now they're over 60 million short. So the only thing to really talk about on Fubo is, you know, they got a lot of good things happening. You know, I've noticed a few more contracts and whatever, but now they're having this shelf offering thing. I think it's like 86 million. So, you know, if people are buying up shares now, and institutions will start buying in here, you know, some shorts are going to try to start to cover down here, especially if they get it down any more than this $1.50. You know, if they start letting go of that shelf offering, you know, this is going to move fast up. So, I mean, stay on the watch. It's going to go fast. Because once somebody starts covering, it's going to be a chain reaction. You know what I'm waiting to see is if who's ever got deep pockets, they probably are well invested in some kind of Fubo competitor. So maybe it's a roundabout way a market maker has investment in, you know, you've seen that a lot with Citadel, eh? They invest in a company on one of their hedge funds because they're also a market maker, and there's like 3 different levels, you know, 3 different companies of Citadel, and BlackRock's always got their hands in there somehow, some way. It's just, what a farce, you know. A lot of why we saw this big down sweep is, you know, payment for order flow, shoddy ass market makers, you know. It's just, the whole market is just whacked, you know. Nothing's happening like it should be. You get the economic calendar, you know, they're pushing things. But I mean, how do you have basically 4 green quarters and then you end up with this? How does that happen? You know, that's just, yeah, it's just crooked. It's all I can say, you know. It is what it is. You got to go with the flow, but obviously I didn't with the calls because, boy, they took me for that one. But it's only a quarter of the money that I made over the year, but still, it was bad. I couldn't even get out of them because it dropped so fast, you know. But I'll be looking to get some calls here once this bottoms out again. Grab some cheapies just in case. But I don't know. I think they're going to try to push it down yet. You know, I'm sure they want to get it at that buck. There's some kind of a gap back here. Way back in here. There's a huge gap here at this. I can't even see because the stupid volume thing is in the way. Yeah, right back here. At $1, it looks like $1.38 to 130 to 138. It looks like there's a gap there. So I'm sure that that's what they're trying to do. you notice like here we got this gap here, and then they come right back up, fill the gap. So I'm sure they're down this far. They're going after that 138 or 130, and they'll try to push it down below $1. But right now, I mean, look at the RSI and everything. You know, it's really low. Fubo doesn't like to be low on the RSI, so they're gonna have a hard time trying to push it down. They're trying to hold it down and wait for this offering and see if it drives it down more. And it's just, you know, all I can say is it's a really good spot to be buying this up. Really good spot. So I'll do another video this week sometime, and we'll see what happens with this. But, and if you're over on Adult Friend Finders, I'll see you over there too. I know a couple of you are. I've seen you over there. We chit-chatted, which is kind of funny. That's a little bit more of me than most want to see. Yeah. Oh, well, it's fun. I enjoy it. It's always a good laugh. So, I like this too. It's just, I got to start doing some lives on this. Make it more fun than just... Well, that's why I like having you guys on the other screen, is because then it doesn't feel like I'm just talking to myself. So, all right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. And then, for you YouTubers, I'll do another video this week sometime. So, see you in the next video.